Have you heard about a stretch ceiling or barrisol ceiling? These ceilings offer several advantages, including aesthetic appeal. Barrisol ceilings provide a sleek and modern look to any space. They come in various colours, finishes, and even translucent options, allowing for customization to match different interior design themes. Versatility. Barrisol ceilings can be installed in various types of spaces, including residential homes, commercial buildings, and public areas. They can also be curved or shaped to fit unique architectural designs. Lighting integration. These ceilings can incorporate lighting elements seamlessly, such as LED strips or spotlights. This integration enhances the ambiance of the space while maintaining a clean appearance. Stay tuned for the next part. Follow our page for more.